Hi trader, in this video I'll give you 14 hacks how to become successful trader in Forex market. First, build up your own system, test it first on demo account and then open mini or nano account and trade live 1 cent per pip for at least 6 months. Second, don't use too many indicators in your system. It will deceive clear picture of the market you trade. Apply KISS technique, keep it simple, son. Third, adapt your system to your personality. If you are ADHD, don't trade on weekly charts, and conversely, if you are a philosophical or reflective nature, don't scalp the markets on M1. Fourth, always open a position when all conditions of your system for entry are met. The best entry is to place a pending order, if it's possible. Fifth, never ever open position based on feelings. Impulsive behavior killed too many accounts in the past. Sixth, always use stop loss for every position. Know your stop loss before you open the trade. Never ever after opening the trade. Seventh, never move your stop loss when the position is open. 8. Know your rules to take profit before you open the position. 9. When the price approach your take profit area, do not move take profit further. Too many profitable positions turned into losing ones because of hope. Remember, hope dies the last. 10th, do not pyramid your position when in loss. 11th, be consistent. Whatever happens, always trade your system for at least 6 months. Do not modify it. Don't get tempted to add up other indices or change settings. Consistency is a key. 12th, always preserve your capital. Opportunities are endless. Your capital is limited. If in doubt, stay away of the market. 13th, losing is a part of the game. Don't take your losses too personal. And the 14th, go with the trend. Don't try to pick up tops and bottoms of the market. It's impossible. If you like this video, just subscribe or write a comment below. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.